Hey y'all, welcome to BG Codes. I am bradgarropy. Once again, we are going to continue working on our daily Texas Country Twitter song scheduler. As you might notice, I got some music going on in the background since last time. Today I'm playing this really cool GraphQL lo-fi mix from honeypot.io. I'll put that in the description of the video, and I'll drop it in YouTube chat right now actually. Let's see. Hop on over to YouTube. There we go. Sweet. It's about like a 20-minute playlist or like a continuous mix, kind of just talking about like GraphQL and taking quotes from the honeypot.io GraphQL documentary. Really cool. So I'm just going to loop that in the background as we go here. Sweet. Okay, so picking up where we left off. This is Daily Texas Country. Let's open up our Airtable and show you what I got. This is the DTXC Airtable. Sweet calendar view. I've got the ability to schedule songs on different days where you just have a date and the URL of the song. That's great. And so what I'm trying to do now is integrate this into, I'm on the serverless branch, good. I'm trying to integrate this into my existing functions. So here are my functions, and I have two right now. One is for playlists and one's for songs. So we're really only concerned about song. And somewhere in here, yeah, see, I pulled in get today's track. So that's what we finished yesterday. The ability to check Airtable for a particular track. And actually what it's doing right now, it's not being called. So down in here somewhere, pick random, get playlist. Yeah, so basically right here, I need to put like a code block that says, what do I need to do? Something like if daily track exists, use that. If not, like go random. And one of the first things that I'd like to do is like all this stuff about getting a random song is kind of a pain in the butt. Response, body, items, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, like this sucks. Dun, 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 dun. Artist album track link. See, it's not even used. Album track link. I mean, I like the debug prints. Okay, first and foremost, I know that there's a ton of boilerplate code between playlist and song, and so I want to make sure like I'm doing it all the same way. So get access token, set access token. That's like all the exact same thing. Cool. So what I'd like to do is put that in directly in Spotify. Right, because it's on Spotify. How do I await that? Let's see. Credentials grant. So I have to make a function out of this. I wonder if this will even work. So let's see. Let's just make a function. It's called like set access.
Wow, like,
I don't know.
presentation, they're talking a lot of
Credentials.
problems that we're facing.
Client credentials grant set access token. Access. We'll call it access. And it's got to be async. And here's what we're going to do. We'll just do all this. I'm just going to call it. I can't fucking wait here. I have to, oh, it's got to be in another function. The
origin stories of GraphQL really date to sort of a shift in not just what Facebook was doing, but in the industry as a whole, and that shift was mobile.
I'm not sure how to do this. But I don't like copying the code, so let's make what if I sent back a function that we could execute immediately? I don't know.
Every year, the native applications got higher and higher quality, and the mobile browsers got kind of worse and worse.
So let's just execute two things. We'll or export Spotify and access Spotify. Actually, what we can do is return Spotify. So we can just export access Spotify. This will be interesting. So we can get rid of all this and say access Spotify. Boink. We can say const Spotify equals access Spotify.
This thing has to be up, production ready, serving API requests, and do everything that Newsfeed does by this date.
Okay, let's try this. That's kind of dope. And gotta go to Twitter and make sure I'm not spamming, which I will be. I gotta delete all that. Profile, okay. So where are we going? Yeah, 8888888 to Netlify functions song. Failed. What's going on? Oh. We definitely have to await that. Access Spotify. It's async. Yeah. Okay.
It got uptake faster than I anticipated, for sure.
Let's go. Okay, cool. Yo, okay, that worked. Ryan Beaver, you don't need much. You don't need much. You got the one you love at home. Cool. So then, I just want to like.
So this was a big deal. The inability of a large technology company
I want to export like.
technology shift as big as the mobile shift is the type of thing that will like consign a seemingly unstoppable empire to the grave.
I don't know. I want to export this function as Spotify with a capital S. Let's call it login. I don't know, like, and it'll be the default export, so I can call it whatever the fuck I want.
I didn't think that was ever gonna work.
I don't love it, but and it returns Spotify. Then I can just do that. And so here, instead of access Spotify, now I have a function called Spotify with a capital S because I can call it whatever I want. And I'm just going to say await Spotify and then give me a Spotify instance. So that should work. Doink. Totally. Gary Allen. Not a great song, but it's all right. Cool. So that's sick. I just centralized all of that logic. Get rid of all this crap. Replace that with that.
At that juncture in the industry, that massive amounts of adoption and usage was
Spotify.
shifting.
Great. That is so cool. All right, what's next? I centralized all the logic to log into Spotify now. I still want like a Git playlist. Body tracks, external URLs. I should only be like getting stuff off of daily Texas country, so let's like
The solution that we come up with, the problems that we were trying to solve, weren't specific to Facebook. They were something that a lot of companies were having.
I'll make a Git playlist. Oh shit. Can you do default and named exports? Is that possible? Node. Default and named exports. Is it possible? Oh. Oh. Eh.
This could be big. This could really
We don't need that. That's fine.
change the industry.
Yeah, so let's do a Git playlist. Name, tracks total. We're not abstracting away that much.
If an
Okay,
idea
I'm not gonna worry about it.
makes sense to people, they're actually willing to do a lot of work in order to see it executed and then share their work. And it's pretty remarkable.
Okay, so we're gonna get playlist, grab the data we need. And at this point, I don't care. We've done everything we need to do. Except for maybe post a tweet, twitter.post.
GraphQL started to kind of take shape in those couple of months.
Yeah, it's fine. So let's get rid of playlist and start focusing here. Man, no, I really want this. It's fine, it's fine. If the daily track exists, use that. So we need to call get today's track. Let's log that out.
We had built these apps that were leveraging web technology in order to build mobile apps, and that was
Here we
not
go.
at a technical level.
Hit it again. Okay, I'm actually getting something, which is cool. Can't stand to lose. Good song. And we do have a daily track. And I'm gonna Airtable get today's track.
Facebook mobile strategy was
I want to make sure we're always returning just one. So now if I run this again, I should see just one come back. Delete. And today's track. Yes. Okay, great.
When Nick wrote up just a prototype. It's called Supergraph.
And then we need to tweet and then return. We haven't tested if there's been nothing there. So let's delete this one and try again.
This is GraphQL.
Undefined. Cool. Clean up, clean up, clean up. Okay. So if we have today's track, let's just do all the tweet stuff.
Programming, the joy of software engineering in general is like you've been given this toolbox. It's like go and make whatever
basically this. Status is today's track.
I mean, now Mark famously says that the decision to adopt HTML5 on mobile was the worst decision in the company's history.
Dot link. What is today's track? Love songs for your mother. Okay, Cocaine Limbo. Okay. So if we hit this again, we should see Cocaine Limbo come up. Indeed, Cocaine Limbo.
Here we were with our
But I just want to make sure, right? We got
with our native apps just being thin wrappers around this website, and it wasn't good.
I got an access token. There's today's track. There's the tweet. Tweet posted. Response. Okay. And we need to clean up. Clean up or like remove Airtable entry.
Let's go and build this thing.
But first, man, yeah, I do think this needs to be easier. So I'm seeing in Twitter, we really need a method called tweet.
We are probably going to need a new newsfeed API in order to build the mobile app that we want to deliver to our users.
Or send tweet. I mean, because we have the word tweet everywhere over here. Tweet is a noun and it's a verb. I don't like it. Tweet posted. Tweet.
You kind of have that special feeling like, wow, this is actually going to be a system that is going to move the needle.
Let's start this way. We'll name it tweet, and if we come across any issues, we'll go there. And here we're just gonna have like the content. Okay, we'll log it out, then we'll post it. It's an async function.
Within 6 months, we had implementations of this thing in most of the programming languages that we cared about, which was completely shocking.
Cool. Do I ever do anything with the response? Yes, I send it back. Let's log it though, real quick.
A lot of costs orchestrated at the same time.
There we go, and we'll return. Response. Now, a lot of this is going to break, right? Because now we need Twitter and tweet. today's track dot link. We'll await that. Const res equals.
Wow, like this presentation, they're talking a lot about the same problems that we're facing. We should try this.
Response. Let's see if this works. Failed. No new tweet. Okay. Cannot access tweet before initialization. What's that supposed to mean?
The origin stories of GraphQL really date to sort of a shift in not just what Facebook was doing, but in the industry as a whole, and that shift was mobile.
Module.exports is an object. With Twitter and tweet. Oh, because I'm defining the same variable. Okay, so what's path params? It's Twitter request params.
Every year, the native applications got higher and higher quality, and the mobile browsers got worse and worse.
So let's log that still. That's fine. We'll call this params. There. Try that again. Okay, that's a no-go. Cannot access tweet before initialization. Same thing. Song.js 19.
Production ready. Serving API requests and do everything that Newsfeed does by this date.
Why?
Production ready.
Yeah. Status of big. Ugh, because I need to do the same thing. I guess this got hoisted or whatever. Okay, try that again. No more name collisions. There we go.
It got uptake
Cocaine limbo still perfect.
than I anticipated, for sure.
Let's do the same thing in Spotify or in the playlist. I really want to, because we just broke that. Actually, I'm not even using Twitter anymore.
Ability of a large technology company to adjust to a technology shift as big as the mobile shift is the type of thing that will like consign a seemingly unstoppable empire to the grave.
So here we need to await the tweet response, and the status that we're going to send is this. Tweet posted. That's here, right? Yeah. Oh, and the response. Oh my god, it's so big.
And I was totally wrong.
That's what she said. Response text. Where is it? Yeah. That's really all we want. Anybody in YouTube chat? I don't like that I have to tab out to go see it. Nope, nobody. Anybody in my analytics? Hey, look, some people joined. Awesome. Okay. What am I returning? The full response? Why don't I just return response.text?
It was clear at that juncture in the industry that massive amounts of adoption and usage was shifting.
I mean, I might want something else at a different time, but like for now. What am I calling this? Response. That's fine. I'll send back the whole response. That's good. Okay. That's a lot nicer. Okay. So we have mostly what happens here. I would love to make this simpler too. Let's make sure the playlist thing works. So I don't want to break that. Follow our Spotify plays for Texas country music. Okay, I think it worked. So there's one. Let's run it a couple more times. Two. Failed. Back. Did that actually repeat? No.
This could be big. This could
I think there's like a cooldown period on tweets. Let's count to 10 here. And wait, and wait, and wait. Hit it again. Here we go. A couple more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Hit it again. Go. Okay. Cool. So we did not break playlist.
If an idea makes sense to people, they're actually willing to do a lot of work in order to see it executed and then share their work. And it's a pretty remarkable thing to see.
Okay, so the last thing, remove an Airtable entry. I think we need... Let me double check when I go to Airtable docs that it doesn't show my credentials. Yeah, okay, no, it's not going to show my key. Cool. Okay, so we need to remove it from Airtable if that's the case. I mean, technically we don't, but I don't want to leave Airtable dirty. Like, okay, why do I say technically don't? This cloud function is going to run once a day, and it's going to remove this entry. Or if it only runs once a day, why do I need to remove the entry from Airtable? However, I think there's like a limit for how many entries you can have and all this stuff. So I'd rather not have stuff hanging around. So let's just do that. So at this point, how do I delete a record
We had built these apps
in JavaScript?
using web technology in order to
Destroy.
build apps.
It's an array of stuff. 10 record IDs. Or you can say, okay, yeah, I like that. There's get today's track and I guess delete. What if I just said delete today's track?
Was not working.
That'd be kind of nice. Delete today's track. That way, caller doesn't have to give a shit. So this is going to be async, and I'm going to
When Nick wrote up
track is going to equal.
it was called Supergraph.
Yeah, it's not as good because I don't want the result fields necessarily. I want more than that.
This is GraphQL.
Okay, I'm gonna copy a lot of this stuff. Filter's the same. All this stuff is the same. And I'm just gonna say results 0.
This is GraphQL.
It's gonna equal track. Let's log out track. That's not gonna do anything except for get it. So we'll delete today's track.
Given this toolbox, it's like go and make whatever you want. Like go and make whatever you have in mind. Basically, the world's your oyster.
Where are we calling this? We're exporting it, right? Delete today's track. So in song, we need to put it there as well. Yeah, const track equals. Okay. Okay.
I mean, now, Mark, famously says that the decision to adopt HTML5 on mobile was the worst decision in the company's
Whoops,
history.
just tweeted a playlist that I didn't mean to. And delete today's, yeah, so ID is what I'm looking for.
This is a big deal at the company.
ID.
Here we were with our Facebook mobile website, with our native apps just being thin wrappers around this website, and it wasn't good.
First of all, let's rename this. I don't, ugh. The capital letters. Let's go lowercase, link, and date.
Let's go and build this thing.
Link, but I want like the capital, nothing, and date with capital, nothing. Okay, good. Lowercase. Okay, much better.
We are probably going to need a new newsfeed API in order to build the mobile app that we want to deliver to our users.
Let's log track.id. That's what we're really looking for. Yep, right there.
You kind of have that special feeling like, wow, this is actually going to be a system that is going to move the needle. This is going to be the way we're going to build apps now.
I want to await this stuff. I want to make sure it gets done. But I'm awaiting 2 in a row. Like, I wonder if I could just fire both of them. Maybe, you know. Hopefully it doesn't kill my execution time. It's 1 a day. It's going to be fine.
If you build something that people like using, it'll generally do pretty well.
Within 6 months, we had
Should be
implementation of
good.
this thing in most of the programming languages that we cared about. Completely shocking.
Okay. Focus. Next up. The delete's not actually doing anything. So we want to get, there's the track, and now we want to delete it.
Clocks had to strike midnight at the same time in order for this to work.
How does it go again? I'm looking for the docs. There we go. It's just dot destroy and an ID. And then it's gonna give me back deleted record. We'll log the response just to see. Okay, just to check, we have a song here. This is Cocaine Lambo on the 21st. Nothing on Daily Texas Country. Let's refresh. We should have Cocaine Lambo here. Yep. And it's gone. Now, if I actually run this again, let's see. Tweet posted. And then I should just say, like, what? There's no fields in it? Can I log dot fields and dot ID? Well, hold your horses, right? Now I want to run it again, and I should get a random song. She is Zane Williams. Yep. Undefined for my...
Every year, the native applications got higher and higher quality, and the mobile browsers got...
Yeah, today's track. Uh-huh. I think we're good. I think we're good.
This thing has to be up, production ready, serving API requests, and do everything that Newsfeed does with this date.
Let's delete these. One more time. We get a random one. Airtable. Come over here, we'll move this one here. What is this? Zima Hangover. So I should get Zima Hangover. Zima Hangover. Empty. Now I should get a new random song. Great. I think we're in business. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of all the console logs. I think it's bad practice.
It got uptake faster than I anticipated, for sure.
And another thing I'd like to do is move this filter out.
So this was a big deal. The inability of a large technology company to adjust to a technology shift as big as the mobile shift is the type of thing that will like consign a seemingly unstoppable empire to the grave.
Okay, then let's just look through here for console log. Yeah, we'll get this out of there.
I didn't think that was ever gonna happen, and I was totally wrong.
Let's go for Twitter. Let's go through Spotify. Just productionalize this. Get rid of some stuff, huh?
It was clear at that juncture in the industry that massive amounts of adoption and usage was shifting to mobile.
Spotify set access token. Spotify node. I need to see if this is asynchronous or not. So I'm not awaiting it. They're not. Interesting. Just saves it. Okay. That's fine.
The solution that we come up with, the problems that we were trying to solve, weren't specific to Facebook. They were something that a lot of companies were having.
Okay, there's definitely a lot of like improvements I could do in there. I don't need name anymore.
This could be big. This could be
Okay, just cleaning up, cleaning up, cleaning up. Okay, so if there is a track today,
Sense to people.
tweet it out and then delete it and then return the response.
Work in order to see it executed and then share their work. And it's a pretty remarkable thing to see.
Or if it's not, keep going. You gotta get a random one. Yep, gotta get a random one. I do that in playlist. No, that's way too friggin' long.
GraphQL started to kind of take shape in those couple of months.
don't need album.name. I don't need artists.
2012.
Track.name. I don't need that. Don't need the artist. I just need items, track, external URL, Spotify. That's it.
It was the first time that GraphQL was supported in a while.
Okay, let's test both of them again. I want to grab some random song from Spotify. Do some Ken Wheeler song. Sky King. Copy song link.
We had built these apps that were leveraging web technology
Okay.
in order to build mobile apps, and that was not working at a technical
Okay, we're gonna tweet out the song. That should be Sky King. I should have nothing in my Airtable. Tweet out another song. Also nothing in my Airtable. Should be something random. Okay. Dude, this is working. And for good measure, let's check the playlist endpoint. Okay.
The Facebook mobile strategy was not working.
So I think we're good. It could be easier to get a random song, but like, who cares? The damn thing is 50 lines of code. Like, it's small enough. Let's discard the changes there. So this is ready to go. ACP, like,
When Nick wrote up just a prototype.
song function respects what? Airtable entries. So that's on the serverless branch.
This is GraphQL.
So this is going to close number 93.
The joy of programming, the joy of software engineering in general is like you've been given this toolbox. It's like go and make whatever you want. Like go and make whatever you have in mind. Basically the world's your oyster.
Let's merge it in. Fuck it. Let's see what's different from master. Song scheduler. Put a calendar here because everything I do has emojis.
I mean, now Mark famously says that the decision to adopt HTML5 on mobile was the worst decision in the company's history.
Okay, and it's 11 files, so it's my functions directory, added Airtable, change the constants, Deleted some console logs here. Twitter. Obviously changed my package.json. All right, cool. Looks good.
Here we were with our Facebook mobile website, with our native apps just being thin wrappers around this website, and it wasn't good.
Once this reaches master, well, no, just dev. Yeah, we're gonna have to check this on Netlify. So I had another little issue here that'd be easy to tackle too. Netlify redirect for API.
Let's go and build.
Netlify serverless function redirect. I think super simple start to serverless. Can't see dots might have it in there.
We are probably going to need a new newsfeed API in order to build the mobile app that we want to deliver to our users.
Damn, I saw this just the other day. I think it was on one of Swix's things.
You kind of have that special feeling like, wow, this is actually going to be a system that is going to move the needle. This is going to be the way we're going to build apps now.
Okay. Jason Langsdorff. Ooh, I found something.
If you build something that people like using, it'll generally do pretty well.
Within 6 months, we have implementations of this thing, and most of the programming languages that we have, which was
Okay, I don't know.
completely shocking.
So I think I got what I need. Let's just head over to netlify.toml, build, and then double quotes all day long. Okay. And I'll just look this up, Netlify redirects. Okay, so this seems to be done. Cool.
2012.
So you're telling me if I go to .netlify functions song, oh damn it, okay, yeah, I didn't add my Airtable key. Okay, 1 second. I'm gonna pull this off screen so you can't see it. There's my Airtable API key. And I need to add that in Netlify.
Talking a lot about the same problems that we're facing. We should try this.
Yeah, so I have my Spotify keys, my Twitter keys, my YouTube keys. Spotify, YouTube. Okay, but not my Airtable key. I always accidentally click Postman. Save, okay. And let me redeploy. Redeploy what I had. So this was the deploy preview. Let's clear cache and redeploy site. Okay, meanwhile, oh, okay, great. Okay, an asterisk indicates that a splat will match anything that follows it. You can use a splat in your rewrites or redirects like this. Oh, like you include it. So you would redirect past like all that stuff to blog.
Applications got higher and higher quality, and the mobile browsers got kind of worse and worse.
So this seems to make sense. Anything after the API part goes here. I still don't understand, like, anybody can run these functions. So, like, what? This is crazy. Still building. That should honestly be enough to make it. Reloading redirect rules. I'm just going to restart the server again. Great.
This thing has to be up, production ready, serving API requests, and do everything that Newsfeed does by this date.
Okay, so let's double check. Localhost API playlist. Look at that. Like the redirects and API song. Should be a random song. All right. Okay, great. So let's try this again. So here we've got, we don't have the redirects in place. So this is the one that had to rebuild for my Airtable API keys. So this is nullified. Functions, song should work. Yep.
Than I anticipated, for sure.
And one more time. Functions, playlist. Great. That's my favorite one that I wrote. Like drinking, like dancing, you'll love our Spotify playlist. Okay, perfect. All that's good.
So this was a big deal.
I can merge this pull request, song scheduler.
To adjust to a technology shift as big as the
Confirm
mobile
merge.
shift
So now it's in master.
that will, like, consign a seemingly unstoppable empire to the grave.
This is serverless function redirects, and This is going to close what issue? Number 92.
I didn't think that was ever going to work, and I was totally wrong.
It's a good little setup. Okay, cool. Issue's been referenced. Let's close it. Now I still need to make another PR, right? Because I just, what branch should I push that to? Get status. That is pushed to the serverless branch, which should still be there. Let's make a new pull request. Yep, there we go.
It was clear at that juncture in the industry that massive amounts of adoption and usage was shifting.
I need like a good, what's a good redirect emoji? A traffic sign or something? Like a detour sign? It's like half of how I spend my time looking at good emojis for stuff. Detour, I guess. Construction. Okay.
The solution that we come up with, the problems that we were trying to solve, weren't specific to Facebook. They were something that a lot of companies were having.
Is Netlify gonna build this? It should. It's taking its sweet ass time. That's fine. I already tested out on dev. I'm good. Okay, so those PRs are done. We'll pull down master. Delete the old branch.
This could be big. This could really change the industry.
And watch it deploy on master. Then we're gonna have to change our Google Cloud endpoints. So let's sign in, cloudgoogle.com. Go to my console. I've got a few, okay, cloud scheduler. Yep, that's where the cron jobs run. And let's edit this daily one.
They're actually willing to do a lot of work in order to see it executed and then share their work. And it's pretty remarkable.
API song, that's what it's gonna be. And we'll edit the weekly one to be API/playlist, and I will test these in just a second.
GraphQL started to kind of take shape in those couple of months.
How's the deploy looking? Site is live. Sick. That's master? Okay. And we will go API song. You got one. Perfect. Okay. And now let's get that into dev as well. Dev is what we actually have like a named URL for, dev.dailytexascountry.com. So I really want to get it there. Then I can test the Google Cloud functions. And then I think I'm gonna end the stream. Pretty good one.
We had built these apps.
Yeah, this is just part of what I want to do. Ultimately, while I do really like this calendar view, it's actually super cool. I also want to be able to, man, I don't know, the calendar view is super nice. Maybe I just get like a date picker. But yeah, what I ultimately want to do is make my own UI for this. Maybe it's on like admin.dailytexascountry.com or dashboard.dailytexascountry.com, and from there I can search Spotify songs rather than like opening Spotify and doing all that stuff. I can just search Spotify songs right from this UI and then schedule them for specific days. So that way I don't have to be like bouncing around between Spotify, my browser, these different websites. Okay, site is live. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna check dev. We've got our function here. Let's run the song. This doesn't actually log anything, but
When Nick
hold my beer, Randy Rogers, very good.
prototype. It was called Supergraph.
Okay, cool. And then we'll do this one more time. That's gonna be the playlist. Great. Everything is working. Now, how do I check, like, yeah, settings and usage? So functions. I've ran for 4 seconds out of 100 hours in a month. Okay, I will be fine. Great, so my cloud cron jobs work. The deploy went smooth, and everything's good to go. I'm not going to schedule a song for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Whiskey Wednesday on Daily Texas Country. I'm going to keep it a random song. And I want to try to use this for like new albums. Maybe next week I'll do like one of the Randy and Wade songs, or Coetzel's like country and western single release.
You've been given this toolbox. It's like go and make whatever you want.
Okay, so
Make whatever you have in mind. Basically the world's your oyster.
close down VS Code here, and then talk about what's next. So in part 3 of this video, in this series, while I love this situation where I've got, you know, like a calendar view here, what I would have to do is open up Spotify, search for some song, like let's say country and western. Okay, that's the one I want. Go here, right click, copy song link, go back to here, paste it in, right? That's not bad, but I want to make it better. What I'd like to do is like admin.dailytexascountry.com, or maybe dailytexascountry.com/admin. I don't know, like whatever, right? Like one of the two. And it's going to use like Netlify identity in order to ensure that only I can go to that page and schedule. And then it's going to be like one UI that you can like search Spotify songs and like assign them to calendar days. I think that'd be the way to go. Anyway, you guys, I really appreciate you hanging in there with me tonight. We're making great progress. Stay tuned for part 3 coming up probably Thursday night. As always, this has been BG Codes. You can catch more at bradgarropy.com or on Twitter. Thanks for watching, y'all. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.